buying. I feel from January to date. Never be seen in our shares. The Yamiate. So, Yamin Shamopa and my papa money.
Amen. Amen. Yeah, that's it. Pa. One more send me messages. Welcome. Ni nama huai. And yes, I'm my money. But as you see, me casa. It is prime bamua. No reply.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, boss. Patrick Frost.
Yes, tell me, my dad is a Pitama.
Ima mo akwaba mpatro yenti o.
Mede radio sama. Me ankasa no mebusia. Titu me ma me no me papa. Na nkopon ahwe omo so the thing there mental carbon bia. Me bad of fin na ne ma me prince la. Ane bra jarewo. Fa me oba de na tempo feje. Ane Adom FM ejuma efo nyina. Na bra jare wa dada e o.
So.
Unim say I get no. Edu time ya o ma yan say if for the head the ma. O kai last year.
I am kai last year pa.
Yeah, but this nya hu sa o.
This year be ba so. Mo be mo de answer close year no why.
Ba me pa gba kese pa ne say. I think say na fa me afa bridge da but what there.
You order was pa obeko.
Amen. Me a big fan pa I get it.
Yeah, that's pa Kosueti, right?
Okay, bye.
Aye. Kwame abroche ndo obeko ne mum se be yo beba no. No ne asem. Ene India ongoy ogusu ano. Abroche ko nya de bi asa ne mum. Okọ ase be yo besa ba fi. Wa manso be han pa no ntina. Hello. Hello. Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother Jerry.
Me Patrick Frost say.
Brother FM you me ka say Ashama Gucci Junction.
Great. Me Patrick you.
Me there radio se pa say odi yan kwa chen. Fiti afina sha se di be see and easy. The radio dey afemu true and e kan say Sudan Kennedy. Me da radio say the mama safo man na nkwa hu. Me there radio say so the ma also nkwa hu. Right, Jerry.
You right in there.
Right, Jerry. Yeah. Bye.
Catch on more my fans wait. You want to say Martin now?
Yo, my cat.
Young fire last two calls now. Young fancy. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Patrol radio.
Hello.
Do radio.
Okay.
Too bad.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
I have to go to what the first time one.
What's it?
I'm going to go to one for
Yeah, Rose.
I came myself. I met them power once or body. I will turn up on young call maybe my own address.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, Macasa. Also,
Mama.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Mama.
We are Tiana Sanfrey. You're for last caller, my fancy. Hello, good afternoon.
Jeremy.
Who's near France and near you?
I say all kodo respect ni Ashama Lebanon zone 5.
Di biabo call there.
I say o che all kodo na o to ade akwa abaso.
You yenua.
Na wa fi we there wa say baby you conquer the whole city. Jeremy.
All right. Yeah, that's right.
Yanda ya mi asima ya bravo. The nice wabu yang ba ma de chepabiati no respect the men chene mi nya shaman sike nyina nsa made yankopon ase ya de yankopon ase and madam hana to etie na practice for nyina mi tie omo nyina.
Okay. All right. That's it. Good afternoon, Koma Michael Osafo e champion Joe Bibia boko there Ose enchian koma mame educhumwa subontain of Best Point or Doko branch. Wishing her all the best. And yeah, you do na ebinso koma Millicent. Millicent. Also a Best Point or Doko branch. Shouts going out to you. Her name is Obapa Christie. And she calls this one Wajime. Anyway, a cool year brutal. Shouts also going out to Margaret AJ Frimpong. We're a psychologist. Hey, which foundation? Yvonne, my foundation, their foundation. patrol pronounce my why na me why. Na man to bomb why. Let's do this one. Oh, Papa Christy. Watch me. Eba. 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 Adom FM. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, to be what it? Then you're me a Joe. Mini for pay. You want to see a show. Who's so now, I propose a no one Miss one, I only want to once in a one you know, treat you. And so no dear pepper. That's so any I was soon your brego or shelly at it. I would check over your poor. I am with you. You know now I am fair. That's so you won't now be anymore. Oh, Papa Christy, when you check. I tell you, sometimes when we be sure Jerry Channel, you look fresh, oh. Hey, Jerry Channel, you there, you get swaggo. Hey, Jerry Channel, you open life, oh. Now, what the picture be got to Instagram now, comment to conform my hey, I be fine, boy, be this, be that. Hey, but Charlie, send Connie Pony the most story. There were femme and never been oh my goodness. All right. Then the radio say one peso the entry. And she be a bit here somewhere did your phone. I would you made so. And we have foot to OfieKwanso Adom 106.3 FM. Good afternoon going out to you. Kwame na I dance. So for now say I day. Panya. Bibia bear fine why do. All right, so shouts going out to Margaret AJ Frimpong. Psychologist for Jaime Foundation. You want the Austria? Shouts also going out to Ejewa of Trust Hospital. Osu. I was also typing welcome when I heard you saying you have seen all the welcome back, so I stopped typing. Oh, why? Oh, they send them why? Echi boko me ko dampa mu a making kind ni na why? Be very fine. Yeah.
some sacrifice. Just say His name is Daniel Chum, bringing time to 10 minutes more to the top of the hour 4. This is 106.3 OfieKwanso, Adom FM.
OfieKwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. Me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
And that's Daniel Chum with this one, Aforia. Bringing time to 6 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 FM. Quickly, and fast, I can say, buy101.com. A patron, Akofa Car Fair 2018 at the brain. Ya just say, we no open car top. Ewa brown spend this car can say. Ebi our car that be open say, was strapping out the gym. Oh, dear, me che. You better auction cars and so. It's the car, we see what you say, car if you won't pay. Yes, so car with the call 5,000. No, be so member 6,000. Where's member 7,000? Where's member 8,000? Where's member 10,000? Going, now do coffee. Boko. And you wow per car top. And then wow car per auto. This is the best time for you to do so. Buy 101.com, Adama, and I'll call fast you mediate a day back. It's your name, say you're brand new, and now pay. And now slightly used car. But what they also buy a vehicle fair 2018 year. Buy 101.com for Akofa Edia Bay. A bus away at Trade Fair Center from the 22nd to the 23rd of December 2018. Yeah, parody a wide variety of cars for you to choose from. BBN your bet me a friend our register 0266 637 111 and now 0302 300 472. And yes, I just log on to www.buy101.com for further details. Bet me a share cars na de be bani nyina ahead crans and I did na so. This is powered by buy101.com. As they do come at DBS Industries Limited on my quality roofing sheet, me the boy down so. Coloring Plus roofing sheet. Yeah. And here are exciting news for all builders. And then DBS Industries Limited a Coloring Plus roofing sheet. Yeah, no, the board down so sad, not just a Afri ball. And what and said that. Kalano Mfedi Mpili of Empuna and Campese Chesna Rasti. Kai Nation Sobe enjoy 20-year warranty. Ewa yen chance in here so. Yes, I'm on 5% discount on so. It is share kwan was Spring Test Road. Ufie so and Chebia na what do Papa restaurant. Obet me near Dinkita on 0543 286 637. Afi 0577 619 102. Yeah, any roof expert no. Yeah, fast day your mark guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited GT Bank. The most innovative and technology advanced bank. Open bank on number be for Kwanso the yen and 2 yen and GT Bank. And they start 737 high and 1 aircraft. And it's modern sounds to be chatum. Say I bet me the bank na transactive business anytime bia wa brown ha Hong Kong banking ho. Put me crowd link your account no with your mobile money wallet for easy transfers. Unya assistance be our friend 050-144-9481 and I say 050-140-9490. Nayam wow. Simple banking for every Ghanaian. Try it today and smile. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Your friend also fast day your mark Kojak Pharma Limited. On my the original pro code, the Kutia code and a fee flu. Pacha utobia money now. Now for Trebiagum. And make sure you buy the original pro code PROCOLD. Not Kojak Bon KOJACH. Omukran my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste. And a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash. And I fake Kojak sensitive to brush. Dear and say, wow, dear depa. And I dear she and I dear new and I or sing F and Fimono. Where you Kojak F toothpaste, nene, mouthwash. Ebeko. What then I am a tire or yapato that crowd choosing a mujaba. You see Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks. Later now I switch it to Kojak F. BBR bear fine. But per best results pa ya now you see Kojak sensitive to brush no. I bear 10 the amount pa. Available pharmacy shops out doing in throughout the country. The door panel share Kojak Pharma check or Kanshi Drug Lane and our friend 0249 209 920 afi 0260 870 780 Sankra to FDA for a movie Mwaja to Misampa air correct ni BBR air fine pa. Finally, as they do from our transition, the funeral people yet almost was a pass almost so as me the offended kind of radia bro. A year there a kind of a dear chan dear saying you know there I be free. Yami show no near said they on chamber. Dakro obeko. Na sebe ni ebe kwakro echi ne be fefe ne be hye nunyam kama no. Eno na transition ebe mu. And they your policies and as plans be bre wa obetimi do ho abedom bie. Say ade to wani a onsa antu na say wani antu anton sem ebetimi ahwe agina wachi achigina pa aye yi na krakra bibia fefe kama pa de ama hwe chira kwan wo ha chu Atomic Road no so wa ho na chira kwan wo transition the funeral people and the member of the enterprise group afa ya wie ni say yi no bomodin ayi wasumboko na ene yenti asem a ye di tue hofo e wo OfieKwanso dwumadi eso. right, yeah, Bruce way a futu. As someone a bit here to you for Adaroma. Dual Loop UCL fuel additive. And our Feco spray starch. Serene Insurance and our Methodist University College. Imokuya Dharma and on Waso Yasne, Amaya Babiti, somewhere to you for a way OfieKwanso media eso. If I try not somewhere to you for a walk, Brofocasm now some say. What you tell yourself every day will either lift you up or tear you down. So be positive about life every day and every time you wake up. 2. What you tell yourself every day will either lift you up or tear you down. So be positive about life every day and every time you wake up. Asemwa wa catch on. Isusu ya well susu edema won. Enema mienu pe no wom. Se ebetimi aboa wo. Apagya wo akosoro. Ede wa gina bia ekron. Ana ebetimi atete wa pansam. Ana ebetimi amwa hwease. Ana ebebre wase. Enuti ebe yanka. Abreni nyina no. Ma unsusu ye de ene de wa odwen fa ho da bia da no. Enye de hyen kran, enye de emuye, enye de ye asempa. Abribie nyame be ye wadon. Na wo da wa na hemacho betise no mani su fe be ya se han na ahase ba no. Na che se nyame wa ma wakonya se ene den su no. Wo to abrabo no so. Se nyame e de sa adom no dom. E ma de chipa bi chiwa. This positive mindset ene se unya. Tell yourself good things. Can enipa efa ho. One kasa show home crying. Don't wait for someone to meet up with you. No, you don't look cheerful. Charlie, come on, put yourself together. You'll be all right there. Then you don't need someone else to do this for you. Motivate yourself. Inspire yourself first. What that's what if you get to now? What do nice see from one now? Go to them. So they for blessing you with yet another day. Now, start thinking positive. Start saying good things about you. Bless yourself before you even step out of your house. Say, today is going to be a great day for me. Today, I am stepping out there to go and conquer the world. Show crying. Inspire yourself. Can be papa before a 2 hour casabra bonus. And your own body, sir. A man near my around you know, and massa near money effect on you. And my dear Crawford can about you know, and massa dear Merewase. And massa dear Emua Bem. Emu wa bomfia jitum se won so ye obi wo betimi ayama yeye enuti nyasa kokuduro no wa wo hwo ho kwan wi a fasa kokuduro no fa pie and tell yourself say it is going to be good. Even if you go out there na de ohwehwe on san can the exact thing kra na, it is better say all the time no you keep your head up wo be inspire ho than to look down on yourself. The more you keep doing that, no, because already no in your mind no what the can jatum say enya de ade a kwa in betimi ayi nti ampa obedu no na de na anye. What you tell yourself every day will either lift you up or tear you down. So be positive about life every day and every time you wake up. When you are somewhere near the etu ye hofo OfieKwanso media so yen first was dama dual loop UCL fuel additive we kama pa unse Thursdays ne Fridays ya na ibisebisa questions kakra Thursdays ibisebisa questions kakra simple questions out me ya no ultimi kura nya achede edifi dual loop fo nche we no ade a eboa ma wo car na nkasa ye no servicing o de me pachi wo de run wo car no yusua ugusu tofu agukan mu audi akwanya bai ha mfuturo mu ni ade eden fi be call car system no mu ekobasa ukopake car na si workshop fitafu atutu kan huni mu na ebe wie na ade ai bibie ho uti anye ye na mechanic na nye good o hwehwe ne ma no back kra na ebi aye some way e ka ye be buru de aguso workmanship aye jew ye wie ya cho say we ya say we dey this all replace no we dey ye be service but we dey this all kotofo e ka buburu wasan waste time. Sadia way now you can forget about them. wa bra woto dual lube UCL fuel additive toto car num koso atwi car na fuel na ya san tank num a udu fuel station bi akoto fuel na wa bie so na wa hwie de agu fuel tank num uwia na waka che fuel attendant say omungu suma obu be say 140 na 150 day kora gusuma wa oyi okay o de car ni nam na no a hwase service car no e cleaning and lubricate fuel injectors no a cleaning and lubricate fuel pump neck connectors na they are na prevent rust a cleaning the entire fuel system ni na I restore performance ama car na fuel efficient kama pa and fuel kitu bi ade begum no e du twa kwantintin car na driving so e run smooth we a bodjuma o diesel and afin so petrol engines nya eso nti obia e betimi use bi e available Excel oil filling stations are doing throughout the country. Open the door pa General American Auto Parts where community 9 tema. Utwa moto ni wie na roundabout ni wie na wa one cops in din hwani mu. Free 055-648-6379 of 020-299-6662. Na do bi onye bia na ebe so. Abusua enei adusua eye pa. What you now dey say adusua ni so emfaso ni so a na wo dada ho. And will be kind. Or see if you think education is expensive, try ignorance. Now who are better power? And nothing a nay Methodist University College Ghana. Eton Safro say admissions den January 2019 admissions. Ya shasye programs are already bebre and nay say yes certificate, diploma, undergraduate and a postgraduate degree programs. Ya bibium a make us a more focus den now trending. Bra, now so besua de fatre wohiem. Courses there, buburuja, business disciplines no, and accounting, finance, marketing, management studies near there, human resource management, ni na koso. Na fe so procurement and supply chain management and also ejinamu den obaye arts and social sciences so ni nyina ejinamu English, communication studies, psychology, social work, just economics, just courses in the class or bobo ade becho almost everything they do all omo ye ni nyina guidance and counseling, science, information technology, general nursing, mathematics, statistics, general nursing, education, entrepreneurship. Just say courses bebre. Yen campuses no so there a dozen down some tema and I feel wenchi in the Brown Halfway region. Also your fat day, evening, and I feel weekend sessions on so it's the best YouTube are now or don't watch me. Fees no there. Very, very, very affordable. Yes, our special discount on so at the more amount for application forms are available on sales. Campuses are holding across the country. Baby, a campus no be an obinya ato honomo. And I've been so a Accra City office of the University College. Yeah, no, the premises of Methodist headquarters were crying a total house Eddie in Shenimu. Ubet means apply online while brow download an application form while be coin website www.mucg.edu.gh. Mature applicants are among 25 years and above. A bit me apply be now most of them watch most you the about betre mushim. Patro bet me afre na bonchimu ekwechi chen dem dia ma we 055-830-9059. For quality education, you can always trust the Methodist. Yes. Come pa. And first day you come out fecal spray starch. Or try the bread, especially say lean material. Yeah, we are there. Obe to internet da. And nothing here come for fecal spray starch the amount. We the any abelful. Na ni can somebody say fecal spray starch esopa go yi. Etu to use spray check ansa na sa. Nati, wo de gu atade ne the iron fa so say ya. Not changing one time. It too far fast on command. We will be a quadron per iron in a use fecal spray starch for 2 days. When you be shas the iron in hopper, come now the 2 days we are not nice fragrance what I didn't to when you super perfume cry okay, you do baby a Jew to Zampa, unum the acro. Nanim at I didn't hear that crana because of the fecal spray starch a goose 20. No material and near brand new come up. I recommended their mobia. Available shops and stores and supermarkets out doing the door panel there. Samara 4 and the Bemawo. We are another quality product from Samara Company Limited. After first day, your Serene Insurance. Be a name or one man for insurance. I say, Ewo Memo. wadwen yon tanta insurance one you can for serene insurance the amount oba bet insurance asi pa motor insurance marine insurance aviation general accident insurance any policies a wodo bebre na no any run ho a oba bit me do afom yi pa na so nya ho ntia se breso se osaka claims so there ahon hare so na igina ochi den na ye boa bibia ni afreni ni bitan 0302 917 444 afi 0302 917 446 and 050 133 7119 Samsung 050 133 7120 your website sereneinsurance.com head office at Chakwan our first floor first Kai Tower Community 25 Junction right after Boom Barrier now say La Paz N1 Highway no so any ADB edin Serene Insurance the new face of insurance you don't want to say so so ya sene e ma yetie eye afutuo e wo OfieKwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM sabrede dwumadi na eguso to aso memma refi say we Monday's edition of your own show OfieKwanso on Adom 106.3 FM
and justice. When you treat your car well, it becomes reliable. Mami introduced Duraloop UCL Premium Performance Fuel Additive amount America for Jatum, and it is brought to you exclusively by General American Auto Parts. Use the product that works. Now feel it the power and performance of your car. Duraloop UCL. So we use here a clean